By now we have a basic chat flow that is able to use a chat window, an AI agent, and window buffer memory to store the last parts of the conversation. We have added a system message which can define the behavior of our chat flow. And now I would like to add a tool. But before we do that, I would like to save the current solution. Now click on the three dots here and I select duplicate. This will basically create a copy and I will call that tools agent. We can also create a new tag like tutorial and click on duplicate. So here is the same solution, but when you click on home you can see we have created a copy which is inactive. And now I would like to add a tool. When I click on the plus sign, we get a lot of tools that we could use. And for now, I would like to use the Hacker News tool because we don't need any credentials and it's an external resource for information. We could pick a single article here, or we can select all, get many, and pull 5 articles. Now let's save that. Let's click on the chat window and let's say something like, what are the current news from today? Now it's thinking and it says Stephen Hawking died. On the right side you can see the agent's AI logs, the content of the window buffer memory. This was our human input. What are the current news from today? This is the system message that we have used as a prompt to tell the model that it should always respond in capital letters. Here is the combined input for the model. And here is the tool that we have defined. You can see the whole response is formatted in JSON. Here you can see the output. And we actually can click on the links here. For example, this one says OpenAI's board has fired Sam Altman. So let's click on that link. And we can see that this is actually an existing news article, but it's an old one. One reason might be that we have no date stamps here, but actually this video was about how to integrate a tool, and I think you get the point.